Welcome to the video tutorial, how to install ReDi Restaurant Reservation plugin. Here you see a short installation step list. We will go through every single step, so you'd have everything explained. Step 1. Open our reservation diary web page. On the top of the page, right in the middle you'll see a download button. Click on that. Step 2. Once you clicked on that button, the complete instruction will be right in front of you. Also, you'll see the blue download plugin button. Click on that, and automatic download will start. Step 3. After that, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side is plugin section. You need to choose Add New, and then Upload Plugin, and select a path to plugin you have downloaded. Step 4. Now you just need to click on Install Now. Step 5. After the message plugin installed successfully appears, you will see the blue Activate Plugin button. Click on it. Now you are ready to use the ReDi plugin. After the installation, on the left side of the page, should appear a new button named ReDi Reservations. That's one of the ways you can easily understand that the plugin has been installed correctly. In the next video we will talk about plugin settings. Please write in the comments below which difficulties you had while installation of plugin or maybe while using it. We will make video explanations for you. Subscribe to our channel, soon we will post more useful videos. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will be happy to help you.